Next is our tools. What's up, guys? Welcome again to another edition. I'm going to continue to work on the car. I'm going to fix the circuit boards of the car, and today the weather is good, so I'm going to do much on it today. I have opportunity to work again, so we are going to finish the circuit on the car, the wires that have been chewed in the circuit box. We're going to finish it today and then continue with the other side of the battery terminal. Then we are done with the car. Then now we can place a battery on it and then crank the car and see if it will respond. But for now, let's get to work and finish that part. Work properly on the car, I have to remove the bonnet from the car so that I can get access to the car. So now let's remove this one, but first let's put on the safety equipment like our gloves. Now we have our gloves on, safety. So now let's grab our tools and start working. Yes, so now let's remove our bonnet, then get to work. it's time to arrange the it's time to arrange the circuit box, then fix it up. Then from this time we go to the battery terminal side. So let's arrange all these things. Let's connect the wires. Yeah. This wire goes to this wire. Okay. This wire goes to this. And then this wire goes to. So this wire goes to this wire. Okay, and they all go down here, and this guy goes down here. So this one goes down here. So now it's time to go to the back of the end and then screw these two wires with this bolt together, because it has another wire that it pairs with and joins up together. So let's go to the inside and screw it up together. Okay. We found out that there's one wire here that we have to deal with quickly, so we will quickly jump onto it, have it fixed, then put the rest together. So let's get this one done. So finally we've been able to arrange everything here nicely, as you can see. So next is I'm going to deal with this kind of wires. Next I'm going to deal with this kind of wires that have been chewed up. These wires have all been chewed up, so I'm going to have that one arranged, and also the water pump wire I'm going to deal with, and then there are a couple of wires down here that I'm supposed to deal with. Then I'm done with this part. Then I quickly move on to the battery terminal side and fix the battery terminal. So now that the circuit box is fully finished and fully fixed, let's move on to let's fix everything back and call it a day. The next aspect that I'll be working on will be the battery terminals. So we got to put the bonnet back on, because it's already dry. There's too much moist in the environment. So we will fix the circuit. We will fix everything up, then take it up from there. So now it's time to put the bonnet back and then call it a day. So let's fix the bonnet. So what's up, guys? So now I've been able to finish with the circuit, but it's starting to rain, so we will end here, then continue some other time. But then we've had a good job today. We've done with the circuit box and then some other part of it. We fixed everything back, so now we can move to the battery terminals and fix the battery terminals, then place a new battery on it and crank this machine up and see how it works. So we'll catch you. Also, thank you for watching and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and then give us a like and a comment about your viewpoint about it. Thank you and see you.